In today's video, I will walk you through how to log in to MQL5 Community in MetaTrader. Before getting started, make sure MetaTrader 5 is already open on your computer or in your browser if you're using the web version. You'll also need to have an existing MQL5 account ready to use. If you don't already have one, create it on the official MQL5 website before continuing with these steps. With MetaTrader 5 open, look toward the top left corner of the platform where you'll find the main menu bar. Click on the option labeled File. This menu contains several account and connection options, including the one you'll need to connect your MQL5 Community account. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Login to MQL5 Community. Once you see it, click on it to continue. This tells MetaTrader 5 that you want to connect the platform to your MQL5 Community account, so it can synchronize your community settings, purchases, subscriptions, and other connected services. After selecting Login to MQL5 Community, a login window will appear on your screen. In this window, enter the email address or login ID associated with your MQL5 account. Then enter your password in the password field. Take your time while entering your details and make sure everything is typed correctly before moving forward. If you normally copy and paste your password, double-check that no extra spaces have been added at the beginning or end. If you're unsure, you can type it manually to make sure it's entered exactly as intended. Once your login details are entered, continue by following the on-screen prompts. Depending on your account settings, MetaTrader 5 may ask you to confirm your login, accept certain terms, or complete an additional verification step. If you're prompted to enter a verification code, simply enter the code provided and continue through the remaining prompts until the process is complete. As each screen appears, read the information carefully and select the appropriate option to continue. Keep following the prompts until MetaTrader 5 finishes connecting your account. When everything has been entered correctly and all required confirmation steps have been completed, MetaTrader 5 will successfully connect to your MQL5 Community account. Once the connection is complete, your account will be linked, and the login process is finished. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you.